It's the Eid holidays and I wanted to take my family out someplace family friendly. Bookingbash.com gives me massive relief because I get to enjoy without breaking the bank. They even offer up to 50% discounts on last minute bookings. This time, I decided to pick the Green Planet.
Ooh, Tia, do you see that? Let's go! Thank you for tickets. Thank you.
I have the ticket from Booking Bash. Yeah, this one. Are you excited, honey?
Thank you.
First one for Mama. Family can enter now.
Yes. Come, let's go. So we are parking our stroller here so that we can walk easily and well.
Thank you.
Ooh, Tiara. Oh, they say? Oh, yeah, for sure.
Thank you.
You can take that. Ooh, where?
Look here. Look at that longest fish. Oh, there's a plane.
There's. Oh, who's making the sound? Let's go find out.
Who is this? Who is making this?
This is the Amazon rainforest. See, it's raining. So we are inside a forest right now. Ooh, what's wrong? What's wrong? What happened? Why this expression?
I don't know why it's here.
Oh, Tia, look. Tia, look who's behind you.
Victoria crown pigeon. They are the largest surviving pigeon in the world
This
today.
is the largest surviving pigeon in
They
the
are
world.
from New Guinea. Yeah.
New Guinea. Victoria. You wanna don't touch it? Okay, we can look around but not touch it. Okay? Okay. Hey guys, we are at the Green Planet and there's over 3,000 species in here. Obviously my mom and Tiara and my dad, all of us are excited and I'm going to show you all the places here. There are 4 levels, so we are at the 4th level right now and then we will go downwards to the other 3 levels. Tia, we're going to go inside the bat cave. What the fuck is that? Oh, sorry. It was this, it was that person. Acha, come on. Look at my dad. Acha, come. Don't worry. Just come to Mama. Tia, do you see something flying? They will not touch you. Okay, come to Mama, come to. Don't. Punnu, don't use my camera to hide yourself and shield yourself. Oh my goodness! Okay. How was it? Why did you get scared? Why you got scared? They would not touch you. The bat smell was stinky?
Yeah.
Do you think they were doing poo-poo?
Yeah.
What is this? Look at all the floors down. So there are 4 levels here, as you can see. We are at the 4th level and then we will go make our way downstairs. Yeah, the birds are eating fruits. They're eating fruit.
It's like an ugly
Expression.
Look at this.
all-rounder ആണ്.
Excuse me. Why are you following us? Excuse me. Do you see these things drying themselves out here? Man, these are freaking bats. Do you know Chinese people eat them? Chinese people love eating bats. If my father had seen those bats, he would have asked for a refund for those tickets. I'm not joking.
Yes, scared.
Touch it. I came inside the fourth time or something because I want to show my dad the bats. Huh?
There.
Acha, avada nokku. Tia, did you see the bat?
No.
Ponnu, show Tia the bat.
ബാറ്റ് ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് ടെനി ഇങ്ങനെയാണ്
Yes. അതെ അങ്ങനെയാണ്. പൊന്നു ടിയക്ക് കാണിച്ചു കൊടുക്ക്.
ചോദിക്കൂ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ബാറ്റ് തൂങ്ങി
Tia, how are the bats lying down? Huh?
Look.
ലൈക്ക് ദിസ്
Like that. Oh, another one open their hand. No, it looks like a vampire.
They are vampires. They drink your blood. Look at my dad standing far away. That's the lightning. This is a snake, and my family, my mom and dad haven't seen it. So I'm waiting for their expression. Acha, come. Look at my father. He's walking back. He's going back to the 4th floor. Touch the snake. We have been looking around. There are supposed to be 3,000 species. I haven't found where all the 3,000 species are. I think even the leaves and the plants and the trees are also part of those species count. Oh, excuse me. Honestly, it's so gorgeous in here. It does feel like you're inside a rainforest. And I don't know how Dubai does it. When you search for, is there an actual rainforest in Dubai? People think that that's not possible, but it is. Anything is possible in Dubai.
What is this?
It's called a gecko. It's like a lizard kind of thing.
ഒരിടത്തും നോക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല എല്ലാം ഫ്രീ ആയിട്ടിരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് തലയിലൊന്നും ഇരിക്കും ചിലപ്പോ
തലയിലിരിക്കത്തില്ല. Oh Tia, did you see there's a snake there?
സ്നേക്
Oh, that's like a big snake right there.
stand there.
Ready? Hello, you brave girl. Oh, what's this snake? Touch it. Did you see the snake, Tia? Where?
ബോഡി മൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് പക്ഷെ എന്റെ തല കൊടുക്കുന്നില്ല.
അമ്മയുടെ കാലനങ്ങും അമ്മയുടെ തലയനങ്ങോ? How was your experience in the green planet?
I saw 3 eyes.
3 eyes?
That looks scary for me. I got scared. Mama.
Show me. Aww. How was it? Again.
ഫ്ലോർ മുതൽ ഗ്രൗണ്ട് ഫ്ലോർ വരെ നമ്മൾ
Look at this, look. See? What's
You
it?
know what this animal is?
Ah, koala bear.
No.
Yeah, koala.
Oh, yes.
Izzy.
Yeah, you remember this?
Yeah.
Yesterday we watched this in Netflix. Oh, look at
Netflix,
this snake.
correct.
See, toys. Oh.
Toys. Oh. Okay, what do you want me to do? Oh, like that. Oh, like that. Oh, toys. Oh. Perfect. By the way, you guys, if you're looking to book tickets for the Green Planet or any other attraction in Dubai, then look no further than Booking Bash. As usual, we buy 1 cup of coffee and all of us share. Thanks for watching our video on the Green Planet in Dubai. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more adventures in the future.
Subscribe.
If you visited the Green Planet before, let us know your favorite exhibit in the comments below. See you in the next video.
Bye, guys. I love you. Bye, guys. I love you.
Yeah, bunny.
This is a rabbit.
Yeah, no, bunny. This is called bunny. Hey, small rat. Rat inside.